Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia, AMD, ARM, Micron and Intel. As for SMCI, I already did a video for that on my channel, so check that out over there, and so is the case for Tesla as well. I already did a video on Tesla as well, check that out on my channel. Besides that, if you are interested in also 50 plus stocks coverage, check out the details in the description of this video, and so is also if you are interested in the trading tools, check out those. All the details are in the description of this video. All right, now starting off with Nvidia. Well, what are we seeing? Well, we are just bullish. Why so? And what's been going on? And as I have been saying, guys, pullbacks are just bullish. We are just in the bullish structure. Pullbacks will be just a pullback and structure will remain bullish. Buy the pullback. You bought the pullback, you are still making the money. But anyways, what my point is that, guys, structure is bullish. Keep taking partial profits in the extensions. Pullbacks are the time to reload, and overall structure as well on my tools is still bullish. Nothing has really changed on Nvidia. Let's get to the hourly interval to take a look at the levels to watch for tomorrow and what from here on we can be expecting. So today, well, yes, we dipped lower, that's fine, but that was just part of a pullback. We came back up, right? So tomorrow, it's easy peasy, very simple levels to watch. All right, what is that? As long as we stay above 138 and 77 cents, any pullback until then are just a pullback and we are just fine. If we lose that, all is not lost. Again, this zone of 137 and 51 cents is still a rebound zones, or a rebound zone, I mean to say, and we are still technically fine. Definitely, if we close tomorrow below 138 and 76 cents, technically overall structure will not be bearish. It will still be in the bullish structure, but it's just that some lingering weakness can continue, and then we'll have to see again stabilization. But anyways, if that happens, right now at 138 and 76 cents is still just a level of a potential. If any pullback happens, it's just above that. In other words, you should just look for bullish plays, and we are still in the bullish structure, and getting above this level of 140 and 76 cents is just a continuation of an uptrend. And tomorrow, the level that we can test is 143 and 58 cents. Nvidia is just fine, guys. It's just fine. That's what I have been saying. Structure has been bullish. I just showed you on my tools as well and everything, and all is good. All is good. Nvidia, even overall structure on the daily interval, even let's say we do a dramatic pullbacks or sell-offs, like even until 133.89 cents, we'll be just fine. But just looking at the last two candles, I don't expect that sell-off to happen. It's just gonna stay bullish. I just gave you the levels on the hourly interval. Trade along those lines, and even if we dip a little bit lower, there's again a potential rebound that can happen anywhere at one of these significant levels. As well, problem on Nvidia, I'll only consider if we don't break above and we lose 133 and 84 cents, then I would be a little bit worried. All right, otherwise we are just fine. All right, AMD, this thing at one point today in the morning was up at 116 and 51 cents. That was the beautiful time for AMD, because it's been a while we saw that number, right? It was around 4th of, well, no, okay, 3 weeks around before we were around there. But anyways, we have a little bit of a red candle today. It's not a bearish structure though. It's technically a pullback. As I have been saying, anything until 112 and 75 cents is just going to be a pullback. I'm not too worried. Structure until then is still fine. A little bit of lingering weakness though has started to come on intraday. Now on the hourly interval, what am I seeing is that I'm seeing these two supply zones, and it's just not just a supply zone. In the past, we have had these supply zones at the intervals, right? And AMD has been really, there are a lot of sellers still, guys. Like AMD, every time it tries to go up, there's just sellers sitting to sell it off. But this time, the difference here is that it's just not a, just a day sell-off. It's more like a little bit intraday lingering weakness has come. Why so? Because we have lost a significant level with a break of the structure. We have lost the reference line. We have lost the significant level areas of a potential of a potential near-term zone of previous resistance, which we wanted to hold above it after breaking out above it, which we lost. And also this, even though, well, there's one point that I want to make though, is the rebound is coming at a demand zone. All right. And this is apparent on 5 minutes interval because you can see the more levels there for day trading purposes. And this, especially the orange one. Again, my tools marks all these levels automatically for it. That was a good one, the day trading levels plus the orange line. And we got a double bottom there. And the range was, okay, well, right now the range is a little bit different because we are in the post market. And because it has to, the data has to a little bit move here while I'm switching the interval here. But my point being, the range was around $3 in the post. Here you go. This is what I was saying. So today's range is very close to the average range, and once we get that getting to these levels where we had the previous demand zone, right, for the day trading purposes, as I said, my tools automatically mark all these for you. So we had a double bottom, and just when today's range was closer to the average range, and all these things helps in understanding, okay, at least a rebound can come. But near-term play was, meat of the move was the intraday short play today, right into the supply zone. Anyways, okay, so on the hourly interval, the point I want to make is that tomorrow, the strength will be only about 114 and 40 cents. If we can't break above it, this will start to form a lower pivot. So intraday above only 114 and 40 cents. And yeah, overall we are fine until 112 and 80 cents area, but take it as deeper pullback, then at least intraday weakness is there. We are no longer in that right now uptrend, unless tomorrow we get above 114 and 40 cents. Things will be better then. Right, let's get rid of that line now. We don't need that. All right, so yeah, there's a little bit more lingering weakness on AMD, at least for now. So we'll see. We got to break that level above. So, okay, overall, though, yes, we're still fine, but it's not like fully in an uptrend. It's like still a good establishment is trying to do here. All right, ARM, SMC, as I said, I already did a video on that on my channel, so check that out there. Okay. So the next one we have here is ARM. So taking a look at that, as we lost below 157 and 70 cents, I've been saying it's gonna be weaker, negative, and we're just continuing down there. Right now it's just in a downtrend, and nothing much here, guys. Intraday also we're in the downtrend. Yeah, no, right now, yeah, it's just in the downtrend, guys. Any level above is just a resistance. Clearly lower highs, lower lows still, so nothing has really changed. ARM, guys, most likely is going to move into just 50 plus stocks coverage under that category that I do with the members. So we'll see, but I'm still talking about it here. So anyways, Micron is the next one. So Micron did a pullback, trying to get bought back up through one of the significant levels, just a rebound though, but overall it's just a pullback in the structure. Again, keep taking partial profits in the extensions. Now for tomorrow though, for the uptrend, good uptrend, we need to get above this zone. If we can get above it, the structure pullback will turn around up again, and to me seems like it will do that. But anyways, at this point, more pullback I will only consider if we lose 101 and 86 cents. Otherwise, look for a rebound or just an uptrend on this thing. That's a better play because overall structure is bullish. Intel. Okay, so Intel, even though I talk about this with the members also, and this may also soon move again just back in the member section only, which it was there before I just started talking here, but we'll see. Okay, so Intel, as I said, that until this level, 24 and 60 cents area will be just fine. It will just be a pullback, and precisely right at that place with the bottom of the blue box, the zone, we just getting bought back up again today, and pullbacks just got bought back up, right? And on the hourly interval, guys, yeah, we are just fine again, like tomorrow intraday, as long as we're above 25 and 57 cents, we are just fine intraday as well, and its overall structure is bullish. I'll only consider a problem on Intel if it closes below 24 and 66 cents or 60 cents area. That's the one. And that's all I had for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Don't forget to check out the details if you're interested in any of this stuff. Okay, 50 plus stocks coverage and trading tools. If you're interested, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, take care, guys. Bye.